The landscape of desktop computing has just shifted on its axis. And if you thought the previous generations of Apple Silicon were impressive, you're simply not prepared for what is happening right now with the 2026 Mac Mini M5. We are standing at the precipice of a new era where the boundary between consumer-grade and studio professional has been completely erased. For years, the Mac Mini was the underdog, the affordable entry point, the reliable but modest silver box sitting on the corner of the desk. But today, that narrative is dead. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just an incremental update. It is a declaration of war against high-end towers and bulky workstations. Imagine a device so small it can vanish behind a monitor, yet so powerful it can render 8K ProRes video streams while simultaneously running complex AI neural networks without even spinning up a fan. This is the culmination of years of architectural refinement, a moment where the 2-nanometer process has finally matured to give us efficiency levels that were once considered mathematically impossible. When you peel back the layers of the M5 chip, you aren't just looking at more transistors. You're looking at a fundamental redesign of how data moves through a system. The core of this revolution is the M5's unified memory architecture, which has been pushed to a bandwidth threshold that makes traditional DDR5 RAM look like a relic of the past. We are talking about near-instantaneous communication between the CPU, the GPU, and the newly enhanced neural engine, which has been specifically tuned for the generative AI explosion of 2026. This isn't just about opening apps faster. It's about a machine that anticipates your workflow, a machine that handles LLMs locally with the kind of privacy and speed that cloud-based services can't touch. For creators, developers, and power users in the USA and across the globe, the value proposition has shifted. Why spend $5,000 on a heated, loud tower when this silent, elegant slab of aluminum outperforms it in every metric that actually matters? The leaks we've been tracking for months have finally solidified into a reality that is even more shocking than the rumors suggested. We're seeing a chassis redesign that is even thinner, yet somehow accommodates an internal power supply and an improved thermal system that ensures zero throttling even under maximum load. Let's talk about the specific benchmarks that are sending shockwaves through the industry. The M5 single-core performance has jumped by a margin we haven't seen since the transition from Intel to M1. Every interaction feels tactile, every click is immediate, and the latency is effectively zero. In multi-core environments, the M5 is a monster. Whether you are compiling millions of lines of code or running massive virtual instruments in a logic session, the headroom is simply staggering. But the real story is the GPU. Apple has integrated hardware-accelerated ray tracing that actually competes with dedicated desktop cards, making this the first Mac Mini that isn't just capable of high-end gaming and 3D rendering, but is actually a leader in the space. You can now work in Blender or Cinema 4D with real-time viewport feedback that stays fluid even as you add complex textures and lighting. This is the dream of every mobile professional and home office enthusiast realized in a single, compact form factor. Beyond the raw specs, it's the ecosystem integration that makes the 2026 Mac Mini a mandatory upgrade. With the latest Mac OS, the synergy between your iPhone, iPad, and this desktop powerhouse is seamless. The Mac Mini acts as the brain of your digital life, handling the heavy lifting while you move effortlessly between devices. The port selection has also seen a much-needed refresh, with Thunderbolt 5 support offering data transfer speeds that allow for external storage to feel as fast as the internal SSD. This means your massive libraries of 12K footage or high-resolution samples can live on an external drive without ever slowing down your creative flow. It's about removing friction. It's about a machine that stays out of your way so that your ideas can take center stage. This is why the demand in premium markets is skyrocketing. People are tired of compromise, and the M5 Mac Mini is the first device in a long time that offers none. As we look toward the future, the M5 represents more than just a 2026 product. It represents the long-term viability of the Mac platform. With its extreme energy efficiency, It is the most sustainable high-performance computer ever built, pulling a fraction of the power of its competitors while delivering twice the results. This is the Goldilocks of computers: perfectly sized, perfectly priced, and impossibly powerful. If you have been waiting to upgrade, if you've been holding on to an older Intel Mac, or even an early M1 model, the window of waiting has officially closed. The jump to the M5 is so significant that it redefines what you can expect from your tools. It's not just a computer, it's a competitive advantage. In a world where time is the most valuable currency, the M5 Mac Mini gives you hours of your life back by simply being faster than you are. It is the silent partner in your success, the engine of your creativity, and the most impressive piece of engineering to come out of Cupertino in a decade.